In these examples, we're going to simplify the expression. We're going to start with this one, and we're going to be using order operations. So, pandas. Okay, remember multiplication and division is left to right. Addition and subtraction, left to right. Okay, put a little 2 there. Left to right. Okay, we're also going to be using the rules for signage when it comes to multiplying and dividing when it comes to adding and subtracting with your signs. Make sure you know your rules. So in here, we're going to start. I'm going to start with the parentheses. So I have the brackets, then inside the brackets, I have the parentheses. And I'm going to start working in here. Okay, now you have 3 times 7 minus 8. The first operation is going to be multiplication. So I'm going to do 3 times 7. I'm going to write down everything else. 3 times 7, I get 21 minus 8. Then the next step is going to be, again, inside the brackets, then inside the parentheses, I have the subtraction. And you notice how I continue to bring everything else down. And that gives you 13, parentheses, bracket. Next step, inside the brackets. This bracket looks off. Inside the brackets, right? So, can I do this addition? Or can I do this multiplication? Notice that a number times a parentheses. This is a multiplication right here. This is multiplying. So I'm going to do 4 times 13. Plus the 52. Double check my multiplication. Sometimes I can be wrong. Then next step is going to add. Running out of space. So we have 3 plus 52. And then we are going to multiply the brackets, symbol of multiplication as well. So 4 times the 55, and that gives you 220. So we started from here using our pandas, right? Started in the brackets. Within the brackets, we started in the parentheses. In the parentheses, we did the multiplication. Then we subtracted. Then we multiplied the 4 times 13. We added the 3 plus the 52. And lastly, we did 4 times the 55. In this example, again, using pandas, we have brackets. Inside the brackets, we have parentheses. Inside the parentheses, we need to do the operations inside the parentheses. So I have negative 3 plus 1. Negative. Different signs. We're going to subtract and keep the sign of the largest number. So in this case, it's going to be 2. Sign of the largest number is 3, so it'll be negative 2. Okay. Next step, inside the brackets. Inside this parenthesis, there's no more to do. There's no more operation. So I go outside. Next thing, do I multiply this negative 3 times this negative 2? No. I have to start with the exponent. Okay? So, bring everything else down. Negative 2 times negative 2. Negative 2 times negative 2 gives you positive 4. Then, brackets. The next step is going to be negative 3 times 4. That gives you negative 12. Then you have 3 minus 12. That gives you negative 9. Then a negative times a negative gives you a positive. So 220 is the answer for the first example, and 9 is the answer for the second example.